The handle kit replaces the plastic handle covers on your grill. They are commonly used on the lid and bowl handles. The plastic handles can be damaged if the grill is tipped over or if something hits it. They can become brittle after sitting in the sun for years. Installing a handle kit is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old handle kit from the grill. The handle is secured to the grill with a single screw, and I'll go ahead and remove it. Now I can install the new handle kit. I'll place the top portion of the kit over the metal handle on the lid. Then I'll place the lower piece and I'll secure the two halves with the screw. And that's how simple it is to install a new handle kit on your grill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.